Good day everyone, welcome back again to our another video. So today we are going to tackle about introduction to real number system. So ito yung discuss natin dito tayo magpo-focus sa real number system na to. So what is real number? A real number, sabi dito is any number that we think of except complex numbers is a real number. For example, 3, 0, 1.5, 3 over 2, square root of 5, and so on are real numbers. So, itong complex numbers, lahat daw ng number is real number except sa complex numbers. So, ano ba tong complex numbers? Sa engineering to magagamit, no? Sa engineering to magagamit yung um, yeah, itong A plus BI. Di ba? That is a complex number. So, huwag muna natin yung isipin, hindi pa tayo mapupunta dun sa mga engineering na ano, na mga topics. So, that is real number. Anything, lahat ng maisip mong numbers is a real number except yung sinabi ko kanina complex number. So, ang real number is may branches siya. So, ang real numbers nahati sa rational and irrational numbers. Tapos yung yung rational, nahati siya sa integers at non-integers. So, what is these rational numbers? Rational numbers are any number which can be defined in the form of a fraction a over b. The numerator in the fraction is represented as a and the denominator as b, where a is not is equal to 0. So, dapat okay. So, lahat daw ng fraction, lahat ng number na pwedeng gawing fraction is a rational number. Ratio nga, hindi no? So, naka-form siya a over b. Oh, mali to. Where b is not equal to 0 to. Gawin natin itong 0. B to b. Where b is not equal to 0. So, pag nag-0 to, iwan ko anong tawag, indeterminate ba or undefined. That is not a rational number. So, lahat. So, for example, 1/2. 1/2 is a rational number because the denominator is not equal to 0. Diba? 3.14. 3.14 is approximation of pi, diba? So, if you convert that into a fraction, so that is 157 over 50, diba? So, that is rational pa rin. So, basically, yung rational number are yung sinasabi nating fraction and decimal. Lahat ng decimal, di ba, convertible into fraction. Ganyan yung mga sulat. Tapos lahat ng fraction convertible to decimal. So, sabi, yung fraction is a rational number kasi expressed siya as a over b, di ba? So, it is a over b, naka-fraction. So, lahat ng fraction at decimal is rational number. Tandaan niyo yan. Lahat ng fraction at decimal is rational number. So, ano naman yung irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are set of real numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of fraction a over b, where a and b are integers and the denominator b is not equal to 0. So, yan. Dapat daw yung hindi mo siya ma-express as a fraction. So, ano ba example niyan? Pi. Alam mo, approximate. Hindi, yung alam nating hindi yan matatapos, no? 3.14, 16, at saka may mga kadugtong pa yan dahil. So, hindi yan matatapos. So, that is not, kahit decimal yan, hindi yan siya finite decimal. So, infinite decimal yan. So, hindi mo siya ma-express as fraction. Ano pa, yung E. Ito yung Euler's number, di ba? This Euler's number is hindi mo din siya 2.718 yata yung value na, no? So, hindi siya mo siya ma-express as rational or the fractional form. So, ano pang ibang example? So, square root of 2. Di ba hindi? Hindi siya ma-express as fractional form. So, basically, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung mga irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are that numbers na consisting of infinite decimal and square root of not-perfect squares. For example, this one. 2 is not a perfect square. Square root of 3, square root of 5, and that is irrational numbers. So that's basically simple lang, no? So lahat ng mga infinite decimals at saka yung mga square root ng not perfect square numbers. Okay? Alam na. So, irrational numbers and rational numbers. So, next is, so ano naman tong, di ba yung rational is nahati sa integers and non-integers? So, ano naman tong integers? So, integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers, including 0 to, no? Oops. Including 0. Sali sa 0. So, from negative 3, lahat ng mga negative, ulit, from 0, 1, 2, 3, to infinity. Tapos, dito is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, to infinity. So, yun yung integers. So, lahat collection ng positive and negative whole numbers. Diba? That's itong 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on are whole numbers, diba? Then collection of positive and negative is integers. Understood? So, next tayo is non-integers. So, non-integers includes fractions and decimals. Kasi itong integers is not expressed as fraction or decimal, diba? Kasi negative and positive lang siya. So, non-integers includes fractions and decimals. So, yun ang pagkaiba nila. Example, 2 over 3, ayan, positive 2 over 3, basta decimals and fractions. So, ganyan lang, ano lang. Dito tayo sa types of numbers. Ito, maraming nagkakamali dito na sabi nila. Natural numbers are all positive counting numbers make the set of natural numbers. Ano ba yung mga counting numbers? Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, di ba? That is counting numbers. From 1 to infinity. Tapos, ano yung whole numbers? Ito, whole numbers, the set of natural numbers along with 0 represents the set of whole numbers. So, ito, kopya ko to. Itong natural numbers, pag maging natural number siya, ay maging whole number siya, if it is include mo yung 0. Okay. Oops. So, ko lang. Wait. Okay. If may 0, starting from 0, plus the set of natural numbers is a whole number. Natural numbers is starting from 1 to infinity. Tapos yung whole numbers is included na yung 0. Tandaan yan. Tapos even numbers, ito madali lang, no? Even numbers, all numbers that are divisible by 2. Yung simple nga explanation dyan is yung mga number na pares. For example, starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Tapos, madali lang, no? Madali lang topic natin ngayon. So, odd numbers. Yung odd numbers are all numbers that not divisible by 2. For example, 1. If it is divisible by 2, if you divide it by 2, if you divide odd numbers by 2, there is still remainder of 1, diba? For example, we have, let's say, 31. Divide mo siya ng 2. So, 1, saka 2 over 1. always siyang may remainder na 1, 'di ba? That is odd numbers. So basically, ang odd numbers is yung mga hindi pares na number na kabaliktaran lang ng even numbers, yung odd numbers. Ganyan lang yan. So, that's it. Siguro medyo madali lang naman. So, sana naintindihan. That is our discussion about real numbers. Real numbers basically, lahat ng numbers na makikita mo. Lahat ng numbers na maisip mo except sa complex numbers because complex numbers are sa engineering na yan madidiscuss. So, ayan. Yan muna for today. Sana naintindihan.